With the increasing requirement to thermally insulate our buildings, housing stock and so on, we will take a look here at how one can use Caddie's smart AEC tools to create the plan drawings and extract the schedules such that we can determine the net and gross areas, listing the products that we're going to be using, even exporting those to Excel if we have a requirement to do that, where we can add other things in as well. So we have a finished scheme here, and we'll see that we have the thermally insulated buildings. There's the existing wall, there's the new insulation with the render and the wraparound. So we've got the closures sorted as well. So all of this takes place automatically within the Caddie system with the walls designated. And what we're going to do is finish off a survey that we've got part done, add in some additional doors and windows, and then look at how we can add to that the external wall insulation and create the schedule. So moving across to our survey drawing, we'll see that we still have a door to add along with some additional windows. And we'll choose the DWA. So we're going to add in a sash window here. So that's the size of the sash window. We've got the orientation for it, so we're doing it by center. And I'm just going to snap on to the center points of these particular walls. And the left arrow on the keyboard will give me my position there. And we can choose the door. So here we've got a finished door, a woodhouse type door, which we're placing by the center once again. Back to my AEC tools, we'll go for the wall. So here's our wall, and we'll start simply by tracing around the plan. So we'll just zoom out a little so we can see what we have here, and then closing to finish. We'll now introduce the openings. So we have our openings, so these for the windows, literally just selecting the centers of the windows there. Going back to our save views, we'll see now with the axonometric that we actually have all of the openings punched out. And going back to our plan, the one thing that we have at the top then is the schedule. So to add the walls onto our schedule, so it'll list them down below it, what we need to do to just mean that we don't include all of the existing walls is just choose purely the new work. So we'll select our schedule style, we'll add in from the context toolbar there, the dynamic toolbar, we'll add in the walls, and we see that we have the full listing there. Walls with a description, it will give us the gross areas, the net areas, and any details about the wall construction that we're applying. So there we have something very, very quick, very, very easy in terms of setting out a scheme for including all of the external wall insulation there. And if we go back to the full thing, we'll see that we have the building with the external wall insulation and all the openings included too. If the client would like to see a 3D model, we have that as well. A 3D model that one can apply different textures, different finishes, different bricks, if you're using brick slips and so on.